Welcome back to Moto Market Explorer. Here are 15 classic motorcycles for sale across the United States, from budget builds to true collector legends. Number 1. 1989 Harley-Davidson FLHT Ultra Classic, $3,900, Los Angeles, California. The 1989 Harley-Davidson FLHT Ultra Classic represents the essence of American touring, built for long-distance comfort with that unmistakable Harley-Davidson V-twin presence. As part of the Electra Glide lineup, this model is known for its smooth highway cruising ability, large touring fairing, and classic road presence. This particular bike shows just over 33,000 miles and is described as running very well with a clean and well-kept overall condition. It comes with a clean California title, no accident history, and current registration valid through May 2026, which adds immediate usability. With its solid mechanical condition and approachable price, this Ultra Classic is an excellent opportunity for anyone looking to get into vintage Harley touring without a major investment. Number 2. 1987 Honda VF700C Super Magna, $3,450, Northridge, California. The 1987 Honda VF700C Super Magna is a unique cruiser that combines classic styling with a performance-oriented V4 engine, setting it apart from typical V-twin cruisers of its era. It offers a smooth yet powerful ride, making it a favorite among riders who want both comfort and performance. This example has undergone extensive recent servicing, including a rebuilt carburetor system, new intake components, fresh fluids throughout, and a fully serviced cooling system. Additional updates, such as a new front tire, battery, and upgraded fuel system components, ensure reliability. The bike runs great, with all electrical systems functioning properly, and includes original tools and a climber manual. With a clean California title and no outstanding fees, this Super Magna is a well-sorted and ready-to-ride classic. Number 3. 1967 Triumph Tiger Trophy 500cc, $8,500, Indio, California. The 1967 Triumph T100C Tiger Trophy is a highly sought-after British classic, especially in its factory high-pipe scrambler configuration built for the U.S. market. Known for its desert racing heritage, this lightweight 500cc twin delivers quick revving performance and a distinctive vintage riding experience. This example is a matching numbers bike that remains largely original while benefiting from a modern electronic ignition upgrade for improved reliability. It starts easily, runs cleanly through the rev range, and shifts smoothly through all gears. The bike retains its iconic high pipes and classic styling, making it both a strong rider and a collectible piece. With a clean California title and current registration, it represents a rare opportunity to own a well-preserved Triumph desert sled. Number 4. 1985 Yamaha RZ 350 Kenny Roberts Edition, $7,800, Henderson, Nevada. The 1985 Yamaha RZ 350 Kenny Roberts Edition is one of the most iconic two-stroke sport bikes ever offered in the U.S., inspired by Yamaha's Grand Prix racing success. Known for its lightweight chassis and high-revving engine, the RZ 350 delivers an engaging and performance-focused riding experience. This example features original paint and approximately 16,000 miles, reflecting careful ownership. It runs excellent and remains street legal, which adds to its appeal in today's market, where two-stroke road bikes are increasingly rare. With new tires and a well-maintained condition, this bike is ready to ride or display. As a highly collectible model, the Kenny Roberts Edition continues to grow in desirability among enthusiasts. Number 5. 1967 Ducati 250 Monza, $6,000, Brentwood, California. The 1967 Ducati 250 Monza is a beautifully engineered Italian single-cylinder motorcycle, known for its elegant lines and refined performance. This particular example has been thoughtfully transformed into a high-quality resto mod while still respecting its vintage roots. The engine has been upgraded with a Mach 1 head, larger valves, a performance camshaft, and a modern carburetor, significantly improving performance. Additional work includes a full inspection and resealing of the crankcase, upgraded suspension components, and a modern 12V electrical system with digital ignition. The bike also features alloy rims, stainless spokes, and professionally refinished paintwork. With approximately 1,800 miles since restoration and a clean California title, this Monza offers a unique blend of classic style and enhanced rideability. Number 6. 1977 Kawasaki KZ900A5, $7,000, Lake Havasu City, Arizona. The 1977 Kawasaki KZ900A5 represents the final evolution of the legendary KZ900 before it transitioned into the KZ1000 era. Already known as one of the original superbikes, this example has been heavily upgraded into a true high-performance canyon racer. It features an enlarged 1135cc engine with Weisco pistons, a ported head, performance camshaft, and upgraded valve train components for increased power. Supporting upgrades include smooth-bore carburetors, Dyna ignition, high-performance oiling system, and a Kirker exhaust. The chassis has also been enhanced with progressive shocks, steering damper, and alloy wheels. With fresh paint, new tires, and extensive engine work, this KZ900 offers serious performance in a classic package. Number 7. 1983 Suzuki GS100E, $2,000, Oregon City, Oregon. The 1983 Suzuki GS100E is a powerful and well-regarded inline-4 from the golden era of Japanese performance bikes. Known for its strong engine and solid chassis, it remains a favorite among riders looking for classic speed on a budget. This example starts and runs strong, with recently tuned carburetors ensuring smooth performance. A modern Moto Blue system has been installed, allowing a remote start and shutdown for added convenience and security. The bike also includes custom hard saddlebags designed specifically for it, adding practicality. At this price point, it represents excellent value for a large displacement vintage sport bike. Number 8. 1972 Norton 750 Commando Roadster. The 1972 Norton 750 Commando Roadster is one of the most iconic British motorcycles ever built, known for its unique isolastic frame design and strong parallel twin engine. This particular example has undergone an extensive 19-month frame-up restoration by a highly respected specialist. Nearly every component has been rebuilt or replaced, resulting in a bike that is essentially like new. It features a high-compression combat cylinder head, custom wiring harness, upgraded electrical system, and new controls throughout. With only around 164 miles since completion, this Commando is both a show-quality machine and a highly capable rider, representing a top-tier collectible. Number 9. 1966 Vespa Small Frame Sears Blue Badge, $4,500, Tacoma, Washington. The 1966 Vespa Small Frame Sears Blue Badge is a unique piece of scooter history, originally produced in Italy and sold through Sears in the United States. These models are especially sought after for their distinctive branding and rare features. This example has been fully restored and upgraded with a 135cc cylinder kit and electronic ignition for improved performance and reliability. It also features upgraded lighting, a performance exhaust, and stylish Italian components. One standout detail is the rare Mickey Mouse tail light, exclusive to Blue Badge models. With its blend of originality and upgrades, this Vespa offers both collectible appeal and everyday usability. Number 10. 1975 Honda CB400F, $7,500, Sammamish, Washington. The 1975 Honda CB400F is one of the most desirable small-displacement Hondas of the 1970s, famous for its sleek styling and signature 4-into-1 exhaust system. Lightweight, responsive, and well-balanced, it delivers a rewarding riding experience. This example shows around 14,000 miles and is in excellent, very clean condition. It runs great and has received recent maintenance, including new tires, battery, fluids, spark plugs, and air filter. The bike retains its classic appearance while being fully sorted mechanically. For collectors and riders alike, the CB400F remains a standout in the vintage Honda lineup. Number 11. 1974 Husqvarna WR360, $3,000, Cle Elum, Washington. The 1974 Husqvarna WR360 is an iconic enduro machine from the golden era of off-road racing, known for its durability, lightweight feel, and strong two-stroke performance. These Swedish-built bikes earned a reputation as some of the best trail and competition machines of their time. This example has undergone a full restoration by an experienced motorcycle mechanic, including a complete engine rebuild with new seals, piston, and refreshed carburetor. All bearings and seals have been replaced, and the bike has been carefully reassembled using quality components. It starts, runs, and shifts beautifully, and even features added lighting for versatility. With its excellent condition and historical significance, this Husqvarna is both a capable rider and a collectible classic. Number 12. BMW R60/5, $3,900, Carpinteria, California. The BMW R60/5 is a classic German airhead known for its smooth boxer twin engine, shaft drive reliability, and timeless touring capability. These bikes are respected for their engineering and long-distance comfort. This example shows around 28,000 miles and has been well maintained, with recent updates including new tires, brakes, battery, and fuel lines. It comes equipped with a full set of period-correct Craven panniers and the original toolkit, adding both practicality and authenticity. With a clean title and current registration, this R60/5 is a dependable vintage motorcycle ready for the road.
Some days my fear has me frozen. I'm brave and I'm broken.
Number 13. 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache, $4,500, Longmont, Colorado. The 1975 Suzuki TS400 Apache is a powerful dual sport from the 1970s, known for its strong two-stroke engine and ability to handle both on-road and off-road riding. It remains a favorite among riders who appreciate vintage versatility. This example has been refreshed with a powder-coated frame and presents in excellent overall condition. It runs and rides very well, with enough power to comfortably reach highway speeds. With a clean Colorado title and solid mechanical condition, this TS400 is a great option for riders seeking a classic dual-purpose motorcycle. Number 14. 1964 Triumph TR6R Trophy, $10,500, Wilder, Idaho. The 1964 Triumph TR6R Trophy is a highly desirable British classic, known for its strong 650cc twin engine and versatility as both a road bike and scrambler. Models like this played a major role in shaping Triumph's reputation in the U.S. market. This particular example has extremely low mileage since its cosmetic restoration, with just over 600 miles logged. It features high-mounted scrambler pipes, period-correct styling, and includes 2 seat options for flexibility. The bike starts easily, runs smoothly, and has been geared for more comfortable cruising. With its originality and condition, this TR6R is a standout collectible that's also ready to ride.
Can hardly sleep at night, doing crazy dreaming.
Number 15. 1979 Honda CB750 Anniversary Edition, $1,500, Aurora, Indiana. The 1979 Honda CB750 is one of the most influential motorcycles ever built, often credited with launching the modern superbike era. The Anniversary Edition adds a special touch to an already iconic platform. This example shows over 45,000 miles and is described as running great, making it immediately usable. It can be enjoyed as is or taken further as a restoration project, depending on the buyer's goals. With a clean title and a very affordable price, this CB750 offers excellent value for anyone looking to own a piece of motorcycle history. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check back daily for more classic motorcycle finds.